I'm Sonal Ahuja, the founder of VRAcademi, and welcome to our course on future design thinking by remixing traditional design with new emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence. In this course, you will master how to solve critical complex problems by creating beautiful solutions for our humanity using new technologies such as virtual reality, the Metaverse, and AI.
My name is Simone Micheli, and welcome to my course of Future Design Thinking by remixing the traditional design process with the new emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence. I will bring more than 30 years of my design experience from the head to Italy to Dubai. I will explain that is design thinking and how it's impacting sustainability. We will discuss and present a novel approach to contemporary and futuristic projects covering architecture, interior, product, visual design and communication when engaging with clients.
VRAcademi, Empowered Minds Shaping Tomorrow.